Hello guys, this video is about how to use ozone machine in the car. Ozone is for the sanitizing and we are trying to show you how to use ozone machine in the car. Now this ozone machine comes with a special pipe. First thing what you need to do is install the pipe, keep it on a stool near a car so that you can put it in the car. And then you need to connect the power cord, put it on, and the pipe which is connected to the machine goes in the car, and you need to close all the doors and windows. Only a small gap in one window has to be left and the pipe goes in from there. Rest of the area, the open window, we have used a masking tape and a paper to block so that nothing goes out, and this small part will be also masked. We have kept it open just to show you from where the pipe goes. As you see, we have already masked the opening and pipe is going inside. Now what we have to do is on the machine, just there's a button to on. Once you on the machine, the display would be on and it says that Autofresh car purifier is on. Once this button is on, the pipe will spread the ozone inside the car. Now when the pipe is going inside the car, what you need to do is put on the car. When the car has to be in on position, an air conditioner has to be on always. The AC has to be on with the car is running, and keep it for 5 minutes while AC and car is running. AC has to be on recirculation mode so that everything is getting recirculated in the car. After 5 minutes there is a timer inside which will switch off the ozone automatically. Yes guys, so till 5 minutes the ozone is getting in. I will just revise you the steps. Step number 1 is to connect the ozone machine with the power cord. Insert the pipe inside the car. Once the pipe is inserted, mask the opening of the window, put on the AC. AC has to be on recirculation mode while AC is running. Car is running for 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, after 5 minutes, you will have to just remove that masking tape, wires and everything, and car is done. 5 minutes, the ozone will turn to off. You can read that it is showing ozone off. Once you read that ozone off, it is time to switch off the machine and open the door and remove the pipes. Sense a fresh smell like as you are nearby to swimming pool. That is what the smell of ozone. And once you sense that ozone smell, please open all the windows and door for next 5 minutes.